To the next, disappeared for some sex. I know I met you first, didn't mean no disrespect. But me and baby girl had a chemistry, and I know you heard of my history. Big Mo dog, ain't lazy with the law. I'm a lover dude, I can serve both of y'all. I was up for club one night. That's when I saw some sights. Should've got a thought to me. She was all up in my grill, so I showed her my big daddy's heels. I'm just a dog, don't blame me. A dog, don't blame me. Yeah. Oh,
Right now, we would like to slow it down and dedicate this song to all the reachers. If you have not called me in the last year,
pulling up. If it ain't live, it ain't me. Oh, nigga, up, too down to lose a step, too shy, don't slip a slide, how fast you can get to a cut, try to talk to him, but they don't want that now, nuts, inside, outside, innocent, I'm an abomination, no more no combinations, nigga, you hit you with combinations, making them blood in your face, and combinations, occupations, back from combinations, and you suffer from complications, you think to be losing money, to only be time wasting, baby, but I don't even listen to rap, still by my taste, I don't give people the pound, getting down on the drum, with DJ down in low Hollywood, here we come. If we are reflect your actions, bitch, I'm a man. Set up my head, set out my face, you had no time. You know what you did was this, I'm sick of they call me mystical, cause I'm unpredictable. I said what they thought that I wasn't gonna sing, and did what they thought that I wasn't gonna do. I knew what they would and I wanted to do. I'm unpredictable. Harder than I did, I could do. Don't hate right on my that I wrote. No one can stop me, I'm talking about flow, I'm unpredictable. I said what they thought that I wasn't gonna sing, and did what they thought that I wasn't gonna do. I knew what they would and I wanted to do. I'm unpredictable. Harder than I did, I could do. Don't hate right on my that I wrote. No one can stop me, I'm talking about flow, I'm unpredictable. Until you give it to all, you never would know what's happening. From nappy-headed ass Michael, cold-blooded ass rapper. Sometimes the kids be listening to me, I'm trying to stop the cursing, teaching them bad words, and people be getting nervous. Calm down, I'm not that type of rapper you'll see. Besides, I know some of y'all chain out that cursing better than me. I'm ice cold, baby, I'm silver degrees. I'm like a lumber